Pictory made it a lot easier.
Today, I'm with Mahan from the Argon Centre based in Birmingham in the UK. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
Please tell me a little bit about your business.
We are a training center, and our main three categories are providing services and courses for driving theory test, life in the UK, which is an exam that need to be done before you acquire your citizenship and your passport, and English language qualification and courses. We are a training and a test center regard that for English section. Help people to pass their to get their any level of different visas or certificate for any purposes.
How's Pictory helping you with that mission?
Well, Pictory been really wonderful. We use it helped us to promote ourselves, advertise ourselves for each section of our work to the best way we could, by reaching our target audience, our target customers, and specifically tell what we wanted initially to them.
So which feature within our product are you using?
Creating video and clips.
This is from the script to video function, presumably.
Yes, indeed.
Okay, so let's dig into the workflow a little bit. You take a script, and the script presumably is on how to pass your driving test or how to pass your exam to live in the UK, and you make a video from that. Is that correct?
That's pretty much what we do. The script that we write, we give it to Pictory, and based on that script, Pictory suggests pictures, videos, and when I say picture and videos, like create something and present it to us, and then we have the option to edit and change any part of the video if we want and add something to it, in order to make it more, I'm looking for the word, attractive or more engaging with our customers.
And once you've made the video, what do you do with it in order to get it out to your public?
We post it on our social media platforms, pretty much everywhere.
And are you getting good results with these videos?
Well, yes, people, it's very informative, these videos. It's very, especially at the beginning when we started Pictory, people showed interest a lot. People shows a lot of interest. And because what Pictory does, it has that flow of giving the information with a tone that it keeps customers engaged throughout those clips and videos or posts, to be fair.
Which platforms on the socials are you using?
LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, pretty much everything, YouTube.
So Pictory allows you to make one piece of content which you can then disseminate across all of your social platforms.
Yes, indeed, yeah.
How long do you think it takes you to make one of these videos?
It's pretty, if you have the vision, if you have it in your mind, it's pretty easy and straightforward to make it real with Pictory, to be fair. It wouldn't, if you know what you're looking after, it wouldn't take anything more than 10 minutes. It's even less, 5 minutes if you really know what you want. Sometimes you might get, just have a little bit of fun while you're making it and take a bit more time, but it wouldn't take long.
Mahan, what were you doing before you used Pictory to make videos?
It was, before Pictory, it was more, everything was a bit, independent. You had to record the video yourselves or find out resources to get the videos and then edit it all by yourselves using different tools and applications, which is a lot more time consuming, to be fair. So I would say, again, time is really important when it comes to producing content. So I would say Pictory made it a lot easier, or at least for us, to create content.
That's great to hear. We try and produce a platform that allows you to do everything you need in one place without having to have multiple tools or multiple subscriptions.
But you're doing a very good job, I would say. Yeah.
That's very kind of you to say. I have a final question, if I may. Man, if you were talking to somebody who had never used Pictory, what would you say to them?
Give it a try. You won't regret.
Short and sweet, to the point, and you've been very generous with your time and your praise. Very much appreciate it.
No, thank you, Pete. Thank you.